Can I just go out like this?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
because that's, you really see it.
Okay. Ready? Hold on to your biceps, because today on Eat and Run with the Bite Me More sisters, we are showing you how to pack way more protein into your diet. Number 1, save cheese. Cheese is a great snack high in protein and calcium. 1 cup of cottage cheese has a whopping 25 grams of protein. Think outside the cereal box. Boil up some eggs. Hard-boiled eggs are amazing to have in your fridge. It's high quality protein, each egg 6 grams. Oh, I hate eggs. Number 3, go nuts. Nuts are a great source of protein. Sprinkle them on your yogurt, your oatmeal, salads. Number 4, opa. Greek yogurt has twice the amount of protein of regular yogurt. 1 cup and you can get 17 to 20 grams of protein, just like that. Number 5, be prepared. Be the protein boy or Girl Scout of the kitchen. Always have something in your refrigerator: sliced chicken, cheese,
Tofu,
eggs. Remember that egg?
Yes, I do. Thank
Eggs.
you for that.
Always be ready. Number 6, edamame. Soybeans are an amazing source of protein. 1 cup will get you 18 grams of protein and 8 grams of fiber. Number 7, think inside the can. Go for canned fish. It doesn't require refrigeration, and 3.5 ounces can get you between 20 to 25 grams of protein. Number 8, be a bean counter. 1 cup of chickpeas, aka garbanzo beans, will get you 15 grams of protein and fiber as well. Number 9, we're almost there. Go retro. We're talking ancient grains. Go for the quinoa instead of the rice or the pasta. Number 10, smart snacking. You don't get these biceps by accident.
We are going to make protein balls. Very quick, easy recipe. All in one bowl. We're going to start with half a cup of almond butter. Yeah, just you keep building your muscles. We have a 1/4 cup of honey, and then we have a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder.
Fantastic, adding that chocolatey flavor.
So we're going to mix that together. Once this mixture is,
This is good.
Once this mixture is all stirred up, we're going to add 1 cup of old-fashioned oats.
I can't even do a 1 hour.
We have half a cup of unsweetened coconut.
I'm fully out of breath.
I can hear that. Half a cup of chopped pecans, half a cup of semi-sweet chocolate, half a cup of chopped raisins, and a 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt. Stir it up, and all we do is roll.
So these protein balls are great for on the go, great bites. You can leave them in your purse, in your bag, in your car. You can put them in your pocket. You could do whatever you want with these balls.
Okay, so you're going to take a tablespoon of dough, roll it up, and you refrigerate and ready to serve.
For more protein-packed recipes, check out our latest cookbook, The Bite Me Balance. 75% healthy, 25% butter.